Hanging a uniquely shaped, shrink-wrap product that weighs close to a pound can be a retail display challenge. For Do It Corporation, it was a piece of cake. Puppy cake, that is. Do It Corporation's R5115 fold-up slot-style hang tab adheres to the backside of Puppy Cake's dog birthday cake kit and provides display flexibility to the store. If the store displays the kit on a shelf, the hang tab can remain folded down. If store personnel decide to hang the cake kit, they just simply fold up the hang tab and place the product on a peg hook or even a display strip. The sturdy 15mm hang tab securely and attractively hangs a product face forward until it is purchased. In addition, the hang tab doesn't block any product information on the package.